Alright, this video will show you how to create your boxes. So I've made this one. This is my daughter's initials. So from the front it says Z, and from the side it says D for Devlin. So Zephyr and Devlin. I'm going to go back to my top front right. What I'm going to do is create a sketch on the top. Create a sketch right there, and then I'm going to look at the top view. So for these, we want our boxes to go this way, like diagonally. So I'm going to grab my corner rectangle tool, and where I want to start it is right on the edge of this. So if you guys have curves, you might have to find it. So I went and found this point. Once you click on it, it lets you find that point. I'm going to go here. So there's Z, E, P, H, R, Y, N. So I'm just going to draw them first without dimensioning, but one of the requirements is it has to be all 2 inches, so I'm going to show you guys a trick. So we're going to dimension the first one. So I'm going to say here, I want this to be 2. Okay, now instead of going and typing in 2 for every one, we can use the equal constraint. So that's right here. But if yours is condensed, there'll be a little drop menu. It looks like a microphone, and then you can find equal right here. So we're going to go here, and I'm just going to click on, select equal. And then so this one's 2 right now, so I also want the vertical one to be 2. So I can click on this and then this, and it snaps into 2. And I can go here and here. And as I do this, the lines are turning from black to blue. And so that means that they're becoming 2 inches. So I'm just going to make sure that I do the vertical for each side and the horizontal for each side. And then you don't have to do the top and the bottom because they will do that automatically. And here. So now I've got all of these made. So these are all my letters. This one's still blue. So, oh, it's because this one's not done yet. Alright. So now I can go back to this view. Right, and I can close my sketch. And I can extrude. And now I can click all these boxes. But I want them to go down, not up, because I want them to be the same as this. So I'll click the flip direction and then put 2 in. Press enter. And now I can continue and do the names in this. So that will get you started.